In today's lecture, we will discuss between the interface between nanotechnology and nanobiotechnology. Nanotechnology, as we all know, that it is one of the most important emerging fields of science in this century. It deals with designing, construction, investigation, and utilization of systems which are at the nanoscale. So, another interesting research discipline of current day is biotechnology, and you also have a bit information that biotechnology basically gives us understanding the way biological systems and utilize our knowledge for industrial manufacturing. So, nanobiotechnology lies at the interface of these two research fields, as it all has some portion of nanotechnology and some portion of biotechnology. How? Because it exploits the nanotechnology and biotechnology to analyze and create nanobiosystems where to meet a wide variety of challenges and develops a wide range of applications. Nanobiotechnology is basically the interdisciplinary because it combines the physical principles, chemical properties, and biological characteristics, and by combining these all three processes, it opens up a new and groundbreaking class of multifunctional devices and systems with better functionality, sensitivity, and specificity. Physical scientists basically have been trying for the past 3 decades to shrink the physical dimensions of devices, components, and enable them to work more faster and more efficient ways. Physical scientists, as I have discussed, that they are trying from the last 3 decades to shrink the physical dimensions of devices and enable them to work faster and more in an efficient way, and have reached characteristic size of 20 nanometers by means of UV deep lithography. On the other side, if we talk about the chemical and biological researchers, they were working on the domains of molecular and cellular dimensions and ranging for a few nanometers, such as DNA, proteins, and viruses, to several micrometers like numerous cells. So here is the example, which is a schematic representation of the sum of the examples which are indicating the interface between nanotechnology and biomaterials. This basic figure is indicating about the carbon nanotube with a single-stranded DNA wrapping. This is the carbon nanotube, this is the single-stranded DNA wrapping. Another this picture is indicating basically the graphene sheet with duplex DNA molecules. Another figure that is indicating a nanoparticle with an antibodies. These Y shapes are basically indicating the antibodies. These are the nanorods that are interacting with the enzymes, and these are basically the enzymes. This figure is indicating different types of the proteins that are interacting with the nanoparticles. This figure is another indication of the size comparison of smaller objects. This is the cockroach, here the human hair is in comparison. These are the red blood cells, and these are the cobalt nanocrystals, and these are the aggregates of half shelf of palladium, and this is basically the aspirin molecule. This diagram is basically indicating the size comparison of different objects. So this intersection of research field is based on the perception that nanotechnology can offer biology new tools with the depth of understanding, while biological principles can guide nanotechnology to forms of highly complex functional nanosystems like the cell organelles. Consequently, various functionalized nanomachines with control switches can be constructed by mimicking or incorporating biological systems at the molecular level. It also exploits the nanotechnology and biotechnology to analyze and fabricate nanosystems to meet wide variety of specific applications. So, our existing competence to produce simple molecular devices or sensor is primitive compared to the highly sophisticated biological systems which was created by the nature. So, nanotechnology, nanobiotechnology basically employs the knowledge and skills of biology to manipulate the molecules and cellular processes for development of products and services. The fusion of biology and nanotechnology has great potential to create outstanding applications in the life sciences as well. So, it is expected to generate important innovations and play a vital role in biomedical applications, starting from drug delivery and gene therapy to molecular imaging and biosensor applications. So, target-oriented drug delivery and therapy with premature clinical diagnosis may be one of the main research area in which nanotechnology is expected to play its role in near future. So, thank you.